Welcome back. My mill has suffered a boo-boo. I had a boo-boo last year when I fell down, but my mill had the boo-boo this year. This looked good from the top with the screw in it and the washer over it. But what happened was, while I was cutting a T-nut, I like to roll my own, the spindle stopped. Yes, my tack came in handy, and I know I didn't really need to see the zero register to know that the spindle had stopped. What had happened, and you can see it, is the keyway give out. So with all that going on, and you got the horror of I need my mill, and what am I going to do for parts? Well, first place I went was a little machine shop. I don't know if you can see it. If I can straighten that out a little bit. Anyway, I was not really pleased with that, because a little gear is $10.86, and Little Machine Shop is not shy about their shipping fee. They'll charge $7 to ship that thing out when it can go in a first-class envelope and be fairly cheap. Shipping is their cottage industry. But if you look here, they have a metal upgrade. $18.41, and it's back ordered. You can't get it. So maybe one day I'll spring for that. I'm not real happy with the Little Machine Shop prices, especially when I went over to Grizzly. Grizzly, let's see. I went and looked up the machine, which is the Grizzly G8689, which is the same as any other X2 variant, except that it doesn't use an R8 spindle. And I went and looked up the part, and here we are, part number 138, and that has a part number on it, and that part number is right here, P8689 138 gear. Now, how much could that gear possibly cost, you might add, going to Grizzly? Well, there you have it, $1. $1. Now, because I got to wait for the metal gear to become available from Little Machine Shop, I bought two. And still, the shipping cost more than the parts. Shipping UPS, get it out here pretty quick, was $4.99. So with tax and everything, I come out about $7.50. Less than the price of the same gear from Little Machine Shop. Now, I know this isn't the whole big thing, and a lot of you go to belt drives, but when I upgraded mine, I went to steel gears in the internal portion of the transmission, so they're all steel inside. After I do the metal upgrade on this gear, it'll be steel throughout. I just don't feel like going through the belt drive, because I want to put a pneumatic tool changer on this, and I don't want all that hanging on the top when I'm going to put a tool changer on it. So there it is. I'm not happy. My mill's down. I'm down, and my lathe is down too, but my lathe is coming together. I've got all the final parts on order for that VFD upgrade, the electrical box and all the goodies that go inside it, including a breaker, a fuse holder, noise filter, and a few other things. I got it programmed, and I'm really happy with it. It uses only one switch and one potentiometer to control the whole thing. I will put a big yellow and red e-stop switch on it, just to be safe. Yeah, I'd rather be safe than sorry. But anyway, hope this helped you out in case something happened to you. Also, if you go to Little Machine Shop and you go to all products, what we at here? Replacement parts. Do they have the Metal Gear upgrade on here? Let's see, X2. Harbor Freight. $49.91. Yeah, search. Let's see. Well, they got a Metal Gear upgrade. Let me type that in. I did this about 4 or 5 years ago. Lathe kit, mini mill. There it is. Ooh, price went up $10 since I bought mine. But there is a Metal Gear kit. That's what's inside of this one. So when I finally replace this one with the metal upgrade, it'll be Metal Gears throughout. For gear lube, I use high temperature wheel bearing grease because these things won't hold oil. There's not a snowflake's chance in hell of this thing ever holding oil because of the way the gearbox is made. You have the bearings and the shafts running through top and bottom. But anyway, if that helped you out, hey, yeah, I did my job. If you bought it from me, we stand behind it.